Welcome, future cybersecurity enthusiasts. Are you excited to embark on an incredible journey into the realm of digital protection? In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity isn't just reserved for experts, it's a vital skill for everyone to possess. That's precisely why we've crafted the Cybersecurity for Beginners, a basic guide course. Our mission? To lay a robust groundwork in cybersecurity concepts and empower you with the ability to identify and tackle common security threats head-on. But why is this so crucial? Imagine your digital life as a fortress. Without proper cybersecurity measures, it's like leaving the gates wide open for cybercriminals to exploit. Let's now explore what each module has in store for you. Module 1, Introduction to Cybersecurity. We kick off Module 1 with an engaging video illustrating a dystopian scenario, painting a vivid picture of a world without adequate cybersecurity measures in place. Following that, you'll embark on an interactive journey through a slide presentation, delving into the fundamental concept of cybersecurity. We'll start by defining cybersecurity and exploring its significance in today's digital landscape. Then, we'll navigate through the 5 overarching domains of cybersecurity, providing you with a holistic view of its scope and importance in safeguarding digital assets and sensitive information. We will also unveil the 3 pillars of cybersecurity and provide strategies to safeguard your most sensitive information. Finally, it concludes with a brief assessment to gauge your grasp of cybersecurity concepts and their 3 pillars. Module 2, Common Security Threats. Module 2 immerses you in the world of cyber threats. From malware to social engineering, we'll dissect the most prevalent dangers lurking in the digital landscape. By showcasing real-world examples and informative videos of these common security threats, you'll become adept at recognizing them and equipped with the skills to respond effectively. Module 3, Security Tools and Technology. Equip yourself with the necessary arsenal to fend off cyber attacks in Module 3. Dive deep into the realm of security tools and technologies, from firewalls to antivirus software. Through engaging with article readings and participating in discussion forums, you'll uncover how these tools seamlessly collaborate to protect your digital domain. Additionally, you'll glean insights from your peers on how they would personally utilize these tools to safeguard their own privacy. Module 4, Response Strategy. Lastly, Module 4 arms you with a comprehensive response strategy. Explore the role of cybersecurity policies and procedures, and learn how to react swiftly and effectively in the event of a security incident. Through interactive lectures and real-world examples, you'll emerge with the confidence to navigate any cybersecurity challenge that comes your way. Let's get started.